these are not beef meatballs. These beef-free meatballs are made with just ground turkey. They are very low fat and they cost way lot less than ground pork or beef. I'm going all in with this Italian style tomato ragu sauce on top of my bowl of delicious gluten-free pasta. Oh, I've gone for spaghetti rather than the other shapes, but this does look like the perfect dressing for these perfect meatballs. I'm going to go for 2 packs of ground turkey. That's 2.2 pounds. Now I can just grab a small amount and I'm rolling it in the palm of my hand to form the ball. You could add some corn flour to help dry them off, mix them up in a bowl with some egg, but I'm just sticking with the turkey meat. We can make 50 meatballs. These are all lined up now, ready for going into the air fryer. This is my series, by the way, bung it in the air fryer. I am going to try to space them out so that they can cook evenly. We are using our Ninja FOODI Max Dualzone AirFryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 degrees Celsius. I reckon this will be 14 minutes in total, but I'll just set the Ninja air fryer running for 10 minutes. These have been cooking for 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, that's looking good. As you can see, I'm just shimmying them around just so that they don't get too brown on one side. And I'm going to put 10 minutes on and I'll hit the match button so they can cook at the same time. But we are going to look at these before the 10 minutes is up. And look at these lovely turkey meatballs. You could serve them, of course, with mash and chips, gravy and jam, Swedish style. But look how this, let's just pause for a moment for the beauty shots. You could even eat them cold, I guess. I'm going to put them into a rich Italian sauce. I've just knocked this together with some tomatoes, passata, Italian herbs. I think I've cut up some bell pepper or sweet red pepper, all into the sauce, and look, I've got far too many meatballs for the sauce. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Look at this dish. You can of course serve them with any pasta, but I love my spaghetti because it looks so yellow against the red sauce and those tender succulent air fryer meatballs.